Hello everybody, welcome to week 2 of Summer Camp 2024. I am so glad you're here. I can't wait to get started. It's Christmas in July, can you believe it? It's hard to believe here because it has been so hot. But we are going to do our best to celebrate. So we are going to start out with our Hats Off Snowman card. I think this is just such a cute card. I have had a lot of fun working with it. And I have a couple of different surprises options for you. I am not going to go through the supplies that we've used, but it is in the idea book, so you can find all of those supplies there. So the first variation I want to work on is a cute little Jingle Bell snowman. I'm going to show you the supplies we used first. It is our Sea Breeze, I think it's the Sea Breeze Blizzard. Card cutout 603, card cutout 601, card cutout 600, card cutout 598, and 599. So this is just a quick little idea for you. So you can see this time we used card cutout 599, but we used the little scarf instead of the hat. And so we just tucked his arms in, but we used the silver jingle bell. I think that is really a fun little twist on it. And then just added the sentiment jingle bells. But I wanted you also to see how cute this is with the red jingle bell. If I can just slip this in under here. I'll take this off for now. But look how cute the red would be too. So that is another version for you to try. So this is just a quick little idea for you. But one thing I did want to mention, and that is when I have got all the pieces done and I put them on the card, I really didn't like how it fit. And I just added this little hang tag because wouldn't that be a cute Christmas ornament? So I just added the little baker's twine, and I thought that just added a cute little finishing touch. So on to our next version. As I was working on the first card, I thought it is so cute, but I wanted to make a Mrs. Frosty as well. So that is what we're going to do. We are going to use, let's see, grab our supplies here first. We're going to do the card cutout 599. Card cutout 658, 588, 598, and then just any scrap of pink paper that you have. And this is an optional item as well. So I have the pink Chalky Solid from our new release. So we have let's see, I cut the hat out, and that was the first thing I wanted to do. So we had our original card here, and I just wanted to make a variation of it. So I cut the hat out, but now I want to take, and I want to give the hat a little different shape. I don't want it to feel like I'm using the same hat, and so I just kind of measure, and you can do however you want, but I'm going to probably trim it about here this time. And I'm just gonna eyeball that, cut that off. And now this is where the little pink stripe comes in. So we're just going to add a little bit of pink here, and we'll trim it right on the edge there. Now you could use any adhesive you want. It might be fun to add a little mounting tape, or you could just use double-sided tape, you could use glue dots, whatever adhesive you're used to using. So I'm just gonna put the double-sided tape on it, and I'm going to mount it right here. And then when I put my hat back on, I am going to use mounting tape for this though. I'm just gonna cut a really thin piece, and I'm just going to slip it here on the bottom. Now on the sample that I made originally, I did not at the peak little ribbon, if you will. I'm having a hard time getting that backing off. Just one second here. There we go. But I think this will add a little more dimension if I can get, there we go. Then I'm going to add the little band. You can see how cute that is. Just adds a little more dimension. And then I used, let's see here. I used the little bird bath. I don't know where all my supplies went. So on the bird bath, I cut out all these flowers and one of the little birds. So let me show you how I put it all together. So you can see how cute that would be with just that little pink band tucked in there. See if I can just give it that feeling here. But I think that is a really cute touch. I really like that improvement. And then I just added flowers everywhere. And I tried, I used the hats off of the card cutout, $5.98, hats off. And then I just really tucked flowers in anywhere I could fit them. I thought they were so fun. From that little bird bath, those flowers. And then when I put the hats off, I tried to intertwine it between the twigs so you could, as though he were holding the sign. And then, oh my gosh, I took that and I put it on so many different backgrounds. Here it is on the Gerber Daisy, our jumbo stripes. Look, even on the Blue Lagoon, it is so cute. On Sky Blue, it looks cute. Even on the cobblestone dots. Now, I noticed I liked the stripes better than the dots unless it was a more subtle paper. I thought even cute on the Garden Tool Tan. I really think these brown stripes, the jumbo stripes, are so cute as well. Even on the plain brown, who would have thought that would be so cute? And just to show you, I even thought this looked cute on the black and white with the jumbo dots. But I settled on the pistachio jumbo stripes, and I'm just going to go ahead and hook it on. And then I added a little twist to it, and that's what I'm anxious to open and show you. Oh, if I can rip off my tape here. There we go. So I took the second sentiment on here, hats off to a good friend. Don't we all have friends that are the very best? And it's just nice to celebrate them, and I think this is a great way to do it. So we have hats off to a good friend, and I just used the little robin off the bird bath, and then just added a couple little flowers. But I think that just really finishes this card off. So don't you think little Mrs. Frosty is so cute? I think that was a fun variation. Okay, our second card that we are doing is Winter Fun. This is just a really fun card. I love this snowman. He was so fun to use, but he was a little tricky as well. Let me see, I've got all my... So you have the supplies that came with it. Let me show you what I have used for the variation. And that is card cutout $5.41, card cutout $5.98, card cutout $6.15, and then the wooden tags. You know, I always love making tags. They are so handy to have on hand. Make a little set of them and give them as a gift, or it is the great foundation for creating a card. So I've already got my pieces cut out. Something I wanted to show you, when I was working on this card, I loved the little tree tucked in. And remember, the arms go behind the snowman. I wonder how they would look tucked on top. I didn't think of that, but that could be cute too. But then I have the tree coming out from behind him underneath the winter fun. But of course, you see his little feet sticking out. Now, I opted to not do the little scarf on him. And this is the big size of the snowman. But the scarf just made it feel a little busy and almost detracted from it on this card. So on my tag, I've decided to use the smaller snowman. And I'm just going to do the wooden tag here. I have a couple of snow candy canes cut out. And then, so that was for the barnwood tags. And then I've cut this little piece out as well. And look how cute just this is by itself. I thought that was just really cute little twist that you could do for a tag. Not what I was going for, but I still thought it was a fun idea. When I first started playing with this little snowman, I have him all cut out. And I was trying to position him on the left side of my tag. But what I realized, and on him, I did add the scarf because I thought it could use that a little added dimension. But what I realized when I tried to add the to from, it was just cramping everything, and it was hanging over the edge more than I wanted it to. So I realized if I took candy cane going the opposite direction, I put the little snowman by him, and then now this part of the to from is blank, and so I can tuck that in right under those, and it just adds such a cute little dimension to have the little to from. You can easily write the name. And then I kind of like when I'm doing to froms, I use a different color of ink. So maybe I would have a blue pen, or a red pen could be super cute. And then I would just fill in, add your little tag to your little string to hang it on your package. But however you do it with this snowman. Oh, there was one other idea I wanted to show you. You could even use the snowman and cut his legs off and just have him be a littler snowman, and he would be so cute then with the big snowman with both of them missing their legs. There must be kneeling or sitting. Anyway, I hope you have had a fun day at summer camp and starting to be in the Christmas mood. It's Christmas in July, and it's time to start thinking about Christmas. Happy camping!